Mr. Maloney, all irregular verbs in different forms. Where you can, do an action for each verb. For example, go into the kitchen, leave the kitchen, and then say bhí mé sa chiste. Go back into the kitchen, stand there, say bhíonn mé sa chiste gach leor. Leave the kitchen again, then say beag mé sa chiste, I will be in the kitchen, then walk into it. Write the words out each night. You will learn the spellings without even trying. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. An rev, bhí ní rev. An mín, bíonn ní bhíonn. An meg, beg ní beg. Now pause the video and repeat. An bhaca, cunnig ní aca. An bhecin, fecin ní ecin. An bhecig, fecig ní ecig. An neacig, cuaig ní iacig. An déan, téan ní héan. An rockig, rockig ní rockig. Past tense, present tense, future tense. An nuairt, dúirt ní dúirt. An nur, der ní der. An néarthig, déarthig ní déarthig. An nairne, rinne ní dhearne. An néanaan, déanaan ní dhéanaan. An néanthig, déanthig ní dhéanthig. An bhuair, fuair ní bhuair. An bhaigheann, fhaigheann ní aghaidheann. An bhaig, yoig ní bhaig. Past tense, present tense, future tense. Chúla, cúla níor chúla. An dluisean, cluisean ní chluisean. An dluisigh, cluisigh ní chluisigh. I, níor I. An éitheann, éitheann ní éitheann. An ísigh, ísigh ní ísigh. Rug, rug níor rug. An meran tú, beran ní bheran. An méarthig, béarthig ní bhéarthig. Past tense, present tense, future tense. Hug, hug níor hug. An dugan, tugan ní hugan. An tuairthig, tuairthig ní thuairthig. Tháinig, tháinig níor tháinig. An dagan, tagan ní hagan. An tiucig, tiucig ní tiucig. Notice how with the first 6 questions it's on, rev, an bhaca, and when the question is on and the answer is no, it's ní. Ní rev, ní aca. For the last 5 the question is cúla, it, and the answer then is near cúla, near it. When asking a question in the present tense we use an arú, an mín, an bhecin, so M to B, BH to F, D to T, N to D. And when the answer is no, we put in ní bheig with a H, ní ecig with a H, ní dhéanthig with a H. But for the vowel here, on éitheann, ní éitheann, there's no arú and there's no H. And then in the future tense, on ísigh, ní ísigh. Do the actions to go with each verb. Write them out each night to learn your spellings and say them out loud and take real pride in your pronunciations. Best of luck.